everyone, welcome to my channel. So today guys, I'm gonna make something from this sleeve. This one is from one of my clothes sleeve. I cut this one, and since it's summer, I don't want to wear those sleeve. It's quite hot now, and I'm gonna make this one into something useful. I'm gonna make this as a socks. So this fabric is elastic, and this is perfect to make a socks. And I'm not gonna use here measurements. I will just estimate my feet on this, and I'm gonna flip it. So I'll show you now guys my materials. Only this threaded needle, scissor, only this. There's no need to produce a lot of materials here, only this three. So now I'm going to cut this edges here. I don't need to use those measurements. I'll just estimate my feet, the shape of my feet, and it is so easy that even kids can do this one. I have to flatten it before cutting it here. And it's done. So now I am going to sew it here. I still have a little bit. And I'm going to sew it here in the area that I cut.
유난히도 캄캄한다면 나 홀로 너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어. 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데 네가 좋아하던 와인과 선물을 준비했겠지. 기뻐할 너를 상상하며. 근데 왜 이런 생각을 하면서 너를 추억만 하게 된 건지. 한결편만해지고 했어. 오늘 밤에도 왜 걷어 있어줘서. 좋은 꿈에 번지를 했어. 요즘 새벽에는 소음이 늘었어. 왜냐면 너의 색다른 blue 새벽에 떨어져 버린 blue 하늘이 파란색인 요요 너에게서 I can see the last night
And guys, this is my socks, my DIY socks brown sleeve. So guys, don't throw away those sleeve when you have it. Make it into something useful like socks or anything that you can make. Up to you. So this is it guys. I already have socks, like for house use only, or even if I go out, I can use this one also. See, it's not bad. It's not bad, right? It's nice, right? I already have my own long DIY socks from sleeve. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Thank you to all my channel members and to all those people who always supported me.